What's the meaning of beware? Beware. Beware.
Beware. Beware. The word beware is commonly used as a warning or cautionary statement, indicating that one should be cautious or on guard against potential danger or harm. The term is often associated with a sense of urgency, emphasizing the importance of taking heed to the warning being given. It is a word that conveys a sense of potential threat or harm, and encourages people to be cautious and vigilant in their actions. In essence, it is a way of alerting individuals to the existence of a danger or risk, and urging them to take necessary precautions to avoid getting into trouble or suffering harm.